set of bookmarks to donate to charity, and I will put the link below for this children's charity that was requesting. Not only do they request cards, but right now they're also requesting bookmarks. And you want to check out the link because they don't want any holiday or personalized type items. So for the first bookmark I'm doing here, super quick and easy, 2 pieces of cardstock, gluing it together. I'm going to laminate this, put a hole punch in it, and add some ribbon and twine. So that's the first one. I have a few others here that I have stamped and embellished with a little bit of ink and some glittery marker. And then this one here, I took a blue piece of cardstock and I embellished it a little bit with distressed oxides and a brush. And now I'm going to take these Rinnia stars that I had that were just extras from a project, and I'm going to use the best glue ever to stick them down. And I'm going to use my Embellie jelly to help me hold on to these. So let's put it that way. Goodness. Alright. Put a little bit of glue on there. And place it there. Alright. This one will work better because I have a better grip on it. So I am just randomly placing these. So I have a big one, and then I have 2 small and a medium to go on each side. And I'm just flipping them over so I have the star that I want. The side that I want facing up. So let's see. There, just that easy, and then I will glue on the other side and laminate, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I have laminated these off camera, and just to give you a little tip, when you put all of them in your laminating pouch, they might slip a little bit, so I use the best glue ever, and I just put like 2 or 3 quick little dabs, I mean not drops, but you know, just touching it a little bit so that that tackiness will hold it in place and they won't move around as I'm laminating them. Then the next thing I do is I cut the lamination off right to the edge of the cardstock. Now you could do this in a paper trimmer. I enjoy just sitting and, you know, cutting along the edge and how the scissors kind of glide along the laminate. But you don't have to use scissors. You can use a paper trimmer if you want to speed up your process. The other thing you'll see on the website for the bookmarks is that you need to put your name and city on there, on each bookmark. Then the next thing I do is I take a paper punch. It could be any kind, but I'm going to just round these corners a little teeny bit because the laminate can be tough, you know, and sharp. So I find that rounding the corners makes them a little bit more gentle to use. So I'm just putting them in the paper punch, lining it up, and giving it a go. And if I feel like it's a little off, I'll just do it again. Okay, I had one that after I rounded the corners, it started to lift a little bit on the laminate. So I just sent this back through the laminator and it sealed everything shut even after I had cut it down. So then the rest of these I have already done, but I have just taken my small, I think this is a 1/4 inch paper punch, and kind of eyeballed the center of where it goes and punch a hole. Then the next thing I'm going to do is take some ribbon and twine, just some random pieces. So what I have here is I think I have silver. Maybe I have a pink one. Let's see. I'm going to grab silver, blue, and blue. And then I just want to pinch this kind of small enough to get it to go through that hole. So a trick is you could wrap some tape around that if you need to, or you can just, take your time and kind of push it through, or you could thread it through with a needle, and that works too. I'm just going to take my bone folder and kind of push those ends in and grab them from the other side. So I think I got them all except for the twine. So just put that there. And of course you could do, a different sized hole punch. You don't have to do a small one like this. In fact, a larger one might be easier to get the material through. Alright. So then I am just going to take a bit of twine, wrap it around, and tie it there. So instead of looping those all together, I'm actually going to wind this around here. And then on the back, I'm going to tie a knot. That will make all of those threads up to the top, and you can push that down if you want. And then I am going to snip these off. Actually, I could just leave them going up, but what I do want to do is touch it with a little bit of glue there. And I think I put my glue away, so it's hiding by my bag of twine. Alright, so I'm just going to take my glue, give it a little dot in there under the knot. And remember, this is tacky, so you want to kind of hide it under that edge if you can. And then I'm just going to clean these up by cutting them off. Just quick and easy at an angle, like so. They don't all have to be the same length. But there, done bookmark, ready to go. And so all I need to do then is the rest of these.